How are you all? Okay. Today I'm going to start second lesson of your geography, that is Indian climate. In my previous class, we have finished the physical divisions of India, and I hope you all must have gone through that and there is no doubt. So today I'm going to start a new lesson, India climate. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the climatic conditions of India. Keep in mind, only in India, okay, not all over the world. But before that, you all should know what is weather and what is climate. Climate is something which is fixed for a specific time. নির্দিষ্ট সময়ের জন্য ক্লাইমেটের টাইমিংটা ফিক্স থাকে, এখানে চেঞ্জ হয় না। বাট ওয়েদার ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি চেঞ্জ হয়। সকালে ঠান্ডা, বিকেলে গরম, বিকেলে ঠান্ডা, সকালে গরম। সকালবেলা ঝলমলে রোদ্দুর দেখছি, ওমা কোথাও কিছু নেই, দুপুরের পর থেকে বৃষ্টি শুরু হয়ে গেল। এটা হচ্ছে চেঞ্জিং অফ ওয়েদার। এর কোনো ফিক্সড টাইমিং নেই। देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइमिंग, इट इज वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंजिंग। बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज होता है ये वेदर, और क्लाइमेट फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज नहीं होता है। दे हैव अ स्पेसिफिक टाइमिंग। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हॉट क्लाइमेट, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, इन लोगों का एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम लिमिट है। इस साल इस वक्त से इस वक्त तक हमें गर्मी है, इस वक्त से इस वक्त तक हमारे लिए सर्दी है। समझ में आई? नाउ, weather of a place refers to a daily change in the condition of the temperature, while climate of a place is average of weather pattern measured over a longer period of time, 30 years or more. If there is any change in the movement of the earth or the planets, or the placement of the planets, or anything like that in the space, that brings a climatic change. Otherwise, climate remains sustainable or similar. But weather is very frequently change hota rehta hai. Now, what are the basic elements which brings or can bring change in the climatic conditions? There are actually 4 factors that brings climatic changes. Number 1, latitude. Number 2, altitude. Number 3, distance from the sea. Number 4, direction of the mountains. And number 5, monsoon winds. Sorry, I think I have told you 5 reasons, but there are 4. Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of the mountain, and monsoon winds. 5. Okay, we are going to discuss about all these points very elaborately in this class. Now, first is latitude. What is latitude? Latitude means the horizontal line, horizontal fictitious line that is running from east to west zone, or from the west to east zone in the earth. Clear? These are the, like, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator. Okay, these are the horizontal lines that are drawn on the earth. Because of this, the division of the earth comes. Tropic of Cancer is passing through the center of the India, so it is lying on the heat zone. I believe I have discussed the 3 zones of the earth: temperate zone, torrid zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone is the nearby area of the earth. अर्थ के बीच का, इक्वेटर के पास से जो लाइन गया है, उसके हाफ ऊपर और हाफ नीचे इज द टॉरिड जोन. और you see here in this picture, I believe I can make you understand. Torrid zone, temperate zone, I have discussed with you here. See this picture. You can see this is the center of the line, equator. right? And these two areas, biscuit color shades, they are the torrid zones. Did you understand? These two areas, you can notice these two areas which I am pointing out with my finger, these are very very close to the equator. इक्वेटर के आसपास के हिस्से को हम टॉरिड जोन कहते हैं because it is having scorching heat, because the rays of the sun is falling directly on the equator. Okay, these two are the green color places. Green color places are called temperate zones. Temperate zones. Temperate zones are having medium temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Understand you all? And this is at the top, blue color. This is frigid zone. This is frigid zone. Here the area is always covered with ice. Understand you all? Okay, now horizontal line means Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and equator. Okay, so when the line of the latitudinal lines are compared or discussed, these lines have to come. Tropic of Cancer is passing through the center of the earth. Understand? And this line is dividing the earth into two halves, torrid zone, eastern and western. Okay, torrid zone is the heated part. The most maximum amount of heat reaches this place. Now the areas which are belonging in this area, in this part, they are having excessive heat. সারা বছর তাদের भीषण गरम फेस करते हुए, दे हैव टू सस्टेन, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी फेस करनी पड़ती है इन लोगों को. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट क्रिएट्स डिफरेंस इन क्लाइमेट. नेक्स्ट, ऑल्टीट्यूड, हाइट. हाइट मीन्स when any country when any state is lying at the topmost layer of the earth, that is the northern part of the earth, it doesn't have to face too much of heat, nor it has to face too much of rain. Rather, it will face winter season. क्यों? क्योंकि northern area, when as soon as you're reaching the northern part, it is becoming frigid. Understand? Frigid. क्योंकि north के तरफ से हम लोग का winter season का air it comes out. So naturally, northern part of the India will be facing cold part. Understand you all? Now, distance from the sea. Third point is distance from the sea. Places that are closer to sea enjoy the equable climate. क्योंकि जो रेत रहती है समंदर के पास, वो बहुत जल्दी गर्म हो जाती है दिन में, और जैसे ही सूरज ढलता है रेत ठंडी भी हो जाती है. That is the reason you must have heard that in desert areas it is too hot in the day and too cold in the night. रात में बहुत सर्दी पड़ती है वहाँ पे, और विंटर सीजन तो है ही बहुत सर्दी वाला सीजन. So the area nearby the sea or the distance from the sea, that brings a very soothing climate, you can say, comfortable climate, good climate. समझ में है मेरी बात? Okay. Next comes direction of the mountains. Now, mountains often act as a barrier to wind. We all know that the northern Himalayas, they don't let tremendous cold winds to come inside, nor it let the monsoon winds to go outside. Otherwise, India would not have received rainfall. Achha. The side of the mountain that faces the wind receives rainfall and is known as windward side. After crossing the mountain, the wind descends once more. As they descend and fail to bring rain, leeward side of the mountain, this region receives rain is called rain shadow area. This region that receives no rain, कि कोई जगह है जहाँ पर बारिश नहीं गिरती। क्यों? क्योंकि विंड वार्म और ड्राई जो है वो रेन नहीं ला पाता। द विंड हैज टू बी मॉइस्ट विंड रहना पड़ेगा, तभी उसमें वाटर पार्टिकल्स रहने पड़ेंगे, तभी वो बारिश ला पाएगी। करेक्ट? लेकिन ड्राई विंड विल नेवर बी एबल टू ब्रिंग रेन, और ड्राई विंड जहां पर रहती है दैट इज कॉल्ड रेन शैडो एरिया। अंडरस्टैंड यू ऑल? लास्ट, द मॉनसून विंड्स. These are the actually rain bringing winds. Every year in June, the monsoon winds arrive, bringing 3 months of rain to the Indian subcontinent. 3 month, 3 महीने के लिए रेन इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट में आता है, और वो लाता है मॉनसून विंड। यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड इन मॉनसून, आई मीन इन वेदर फोरकास्ट, বৃষ্টির মেঘ এখনো আসেনি, মনসুন উইন্ড হ্যাজ নট ইয়েট অ্যারাইভড, means they arrive and they bring lots and lots of rain. Understand? The effect of the monsoon on India is so great that climate of India is described as a tropical monsoon type. Rain is playing a very major role in India, and so Indian climate is called monsoon, tropical monsoon type climate. Here ends the reasons of climatic changes. Now we will come to the seasons of India. There are mainly 4 seasons: hot, rainy, retreating monsoon, cold weather. Hot season, rainy season, retreating monsoon season, and cold season. Acha, first we will discuss summer, that is the hot season. This is begins from late March and it sustains to May. Okay, just after May, from June, rainy season enters. Hot weather season or summer season is starting from the March and remaining till May. Rainy season is starting from June, it is remaining till September. Autumn or retreating monsoon season is starting from October, it is remaining up till November. Cold season is starting from December, it is remaining up till February. Understand? Summer begins in India from late March. The sun is at the apparent way, I mean, where Tropic of Capricorn, it is near about that, and it gives the scorching heat. 20th March. Summers in India are hot, dry, temperate. Temperature rises from 35 to 45 degrees. And when the temperature is excessively high, then people may get sick. So we take care of us. We use umbrellas, we use sunglasses, we cover our face, we cover our body with cloths so that the heat of the sun will not spoil our health or we would not get affected by it. Hot wind blows in the noon, that is called loose. L-O-O'-S, loose. Okay, they are very hot, and if we inhale that, we can feel sick. It can bring temperature also. And some stormy type things also takes place. Kal Boishakhi, mango showers, and so on. Okay, this is the summer season. Monsoon or rainy season. Monsoon season is very pleasant for the farmers because it is very easy for them to crop up. Some crops take place in monsoon weather. So temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. It causes air to rise and conditions of low pressure area develops in western India. Acha. Southwest monsoon winds are there. They blow from southwest, so they are called southwest monsoon winds. When the wind hits the Indian mainland, they are forced to divide into 2 branches. যখন Indian airland এর মধ্যে the monsoon wind appears, they are divided into 2 sides. Half goes to the Arabian Sea branch and the half goes to the Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, once again I am telling you, when the monsoon events arrive to Indian subcontinent, मैंने Indian area के अंदर, तब वो 2 साइड में डिवाइडेड हो जाते हैं. Some goes to the Arabian Sea branch, the other goes to the Bay of Bengal branch. Now, branch means what? In these two sides, the countries who are there, they receive the highest rainfall. Clear? Achha. Then comes, so two things we have discussed, summer, monsoon. Now, autumn or retreating monsoon, very nice time. These days are very pleasant, not very hot, not very humid, and nights are cool, quite soothing. Sometimes we have to use covers like soft blankets, very thin blankets, or bed sheets to cover our body. We can feel nights are because of it cool. Actually, the month which I've already told you, it is starting from October and remaining till November. November means you can calculate that cold weather is slowly appearing. Monsoon winds start retreating to blowing black towards sea. And as because the warmer current of the sea, they appears the land. This time it happens that the warm current of the sea that receives comes on land, and so as because the warm currents are appearing on land, the moist winds they go back to the sea. Just understand the main points. If you keep on mugging up all these things, you will get confused. Okay, that's why I'm going through the main points. Retreating monsoon, they pick up the moisturizer and go to Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Pondicherry and give rainfall over there. When we are enjoying the autumn season. Clear? Last comes the winter season, cold winter season, chilled winter season, very nice season. Many of you are getting fascinated with this season because this is the time when we have a very cozy type of feeling. Snowfall is there. It's very beautiful to look outside. You can enjoy the heat of the sun. You can wear colorful dresses, colorful sweaters to cover up your body. Sustains from December till February. Okay, the nights are long, days are short, nights are cool, days are warm, but the northern wind blows, and that brings, the more the wind blows, the more the weather will become cooler. Okay, sometimes some cyclones takes place, very rarely. They are called western disturbances. That is a very rare case, but normally winter season is very cool, calm, and quiet season. No disturbances of nature are taking place in this season. Okay, here ends your lesson, and go through it. Once again, I'm telling you, don't try to mug up everything. Please uh, point out the main points as I have explained you, and follow up the divisions. That will be enough for you. I mean, for this class. Later on in your senior classes, you're going to read about this in much more explicit way. Okay. Take care. I'll be back with you very soon along with the required exercise and a new chapter. Thank you.